Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how we use our steel calculator. We use this program to calculate the correct amount of paint you need to coat your steels. It may seem complicated, but try your best to keep up. Firstly, we select the steel we are needing to coat. For example, an universal beam or an universal column. We then input the exposed sides and the orientation. Now we find the correct sizing for the steel you are using. Every steel is unique. This can affect the amount of paint needed for the correct specification quite dramatically. This is why it's critical you give us the correct measurements, as the wrong measurements can lead to less or too much paint. This will affect if you will be able to pass your fire safety certification, and this could end up leading you to repeat the whole process. We then input how many steels are going to be painted and the lengths of each steel. We can also give each steel section a name to help identify the beam, such as first floor beams. This is particularly useful on large jobs. We then repeat for every steel which is going to be painted. Now we use the estimator to compare the quantity of paint each brand would require. Different paints are better on different jobs. For example, Jotun Steel Master is best suited for I-beams and large structures, while the Nullifier SC800 range are ideal for hollow section steel. Our technical team will compare quantities with the cost to find the best solution for you. The final step is to generate the loadings report. This lists every steel we entered earlier and also the thickness of paint required. The important numbers are listed under the headings WFT and DFT. These are your wet and dry film thicknesses. They must be adhered to achieve the fire rating specified. For guidance on using wet film gauges and how to apply intumescent paint, see our guide on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos.